Good morning. How are you all doing? I have come again to discuss a very important topic today. Now we're going to be looking at formation of plurals in Igbo. Formation of plurals in Igbo. Now, ha is the plural of o or o. Ha is the plural of o or o. Now, ha means they. So they is the plural of he or she or it. Examples: Obu efere, it is plates. So that means habu efere, they are plates. Obiara, that means she or he or it came. It means habiara, that is they came. Obere akwa, that is she or he or it cried. It means ha bere akwa. So you can see for everywhere we have or o as singular is replaced with ha as plural. Okay. Now another word we use for plural is ndia. Ndia is the plural form of nkea. Now they can be placed before or after the objects while making the sentences. Examples: number one, nkea bo akwụkwọ. Nkea bo akwụkwọ, this is book. That's the singular form. Then the plural form says ndia bo akwụkwọ. Ndia bo akwụkwọ, these are books. These are books. Akwụkwọ nkea. Akwụkwọ nkea, remember I told you that they can be placed before or after. So the first example, we placed it before, and then this second example is placed after. Akwụkwọ nkea, that is akwụkwọ ndia, means this book, these books. Nkea bụ nri. Nkea bụ nri, this is food. Ndia bụ nri. Ndia bụ nri, these are foods. Nri nkea. Nri nkea, this food. Nri ndia. Nri ndia, these foods. Ụlọ nkea. Ụlọ nkea, this house. Ụlọ ndia. Ụlọ ndia, these houses. Now another word we use is ụmụ. We use it to form plurals. Ụmụ means children, while nwa means child. Now nwata. Nwata means child in Igbo. It means the plural form is ụmụaka. Ụmụaka is children. Then nwa nwoke, male. Nwa nwoke, male. The plural form is ụmụ nwoke, males. Nwa nwaanyị, female. The plural form is ụmụ nwaanyị, females. Nwa mmadụ. Nwa mmadụ is human being. The plural form could be either ụmụ mmadụ or ndị mmadụ, that's human beings. Nwa nnụnụ, bird. The plural form is ụmụ nnụnụ, birds. Nwa akwụkwọ, students. The plural form is ụmụ akwụkwọ, students. Nwanne, sibling. The plural form is ụmụnne, siblings. Now, another word we can use for plural is ndi. Now, ndi is also used before certain words to show plural. Ndi. Now, mmadu. Mmadu is human being. The plural form is ndi mmadu, human beings. Nwa nwoke, male child. The plural form is ndi nwoke, males or male children. Okenye, old person. The plural form is ndi okenye, old people. Onye ohi, thief. The plural form is ndi ohi, thieves. Enyi, friend. The plural form is ndi enyi, friends. Onye ahia, traders, trader rather. The plural form is ndi ahia, traders. Onye nche, security person. The plural form is ndi nche, security people. Onye ara, mad person. The plural form is ndi ara, mad people. Onye dibia bekee, medical doctor. The plural form is ndi dibia bekee, medical doctors. Onye nzuzu, foolish person. The plural form is ndi nzuzu, foolish people. Onye ọrụ, worker. The plural form is ndị ọrụ, workers. Onye Igbo, Igbo person. The plural form is ndi Igbo, Igbo people. So I want you to go try your own. How would you form the plurals of the following? Nke a bụ oche. This is a chair. Nke a bụ ji. This is yam. Nwa okorobịa, a young man. Nwa agbọghọbịa, a lady. Onye ọkaiwu, a lawyer. Onye ọkammụta, a professor. Thank you very much.